Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do word count on MS Word. So for that, we just need to open MS Word. After opening it, I'm just going to create a new blank document here. And for counting the words and letters, here I'm just going to type something. So for counting these words, here on the top, you can see here many options, and here as an option, you can see here review. Click on that. And from here as a third option, you can see here word count. Click on that. From here, you can see the words, characters, lines, paragraph, etc. So this is how you can check your word count on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.